Good morning. Today I'm going to teach numbers. Numbers are like flat O's and you twist and tap. Number. So I'm going to do it in a little bit different order than normal because some are easier and some are harder. So I will try to stay in as much good order as normal. That way it'll be easier. We'll do numbers 1 through 10 first. So 1, you just point 1. A lot of these are easy. 2, same as you're used to. 3 will be a little different. A lot of people do this for 3. This is 6. So 3 is with your thumb, 2 fingers and a thumb. 4, same as you're used to. 5 is the same as you're used to. Now here's why this is 6. After 5, your thumb touches the littlest to the biggest. 6, 7, 8, and 9 for those numbers. So that's why. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thumb up and you wiggle it. 10. 11 through 20. 11 through 20 I call flicks and waves because that's a lot of it. 11, you're flicking the 1. 12, you flick the 2. 13 is a 3. Your palm is in for these. 3. For 1 through 5, your palm can be out or in. 6, 7, 8, 9, palms are out. Most of the numbers, palms are out. But those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 11 through 15, sometimes they're in. So 11, 12, 13, your thumb comes out, so instead of flicking, you're kind of waving. 14, thumb in, you show 4, and you wave those. 14, 15, it's your 5, and you're waving it. 15. Now 16 through 19 is kind of, there's 2 ways to sign it. This way I think is easier because it shows the 10 and the 6. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16. Or you can show the 6 and wiggle it like that. 16 or 16. 17 or 17. 18, 18, 19, 19. 20, it's like your little pincher. It's weird too, but I'll explain that here in a minute. Okay, so 30, you're just going to do 3, 0. 40, same. All the way up to 90, you're just the number, you're just showing the digits. 60, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100 is a 1C. Sometimes you will see it like this. Instead of doing a full C, they just bend the fingers. 200, 300, or 300. The reason why 20 is not a 2-0, because a lot of times when we sign fast and you want to get that 0 in, that thumb comes out and it's confused with 30. So that's why we sign 20, so they don't get confused. All right, so 100 or 100. And you use that all the way up to 900 or 900. 1,000. 1,000. I remember this, like for every comma, you do this. So 1,000, 1,000,000. There's 2 commas, right? So 1,000 thousands, 1,000,000. So I'm going to assign a big number. 900 or 900, either way, 900 million 653,012. All right, so now we're going to go back to those awful 20s because 20 was weird. It just gets weirder. That's why I want to introduce them last so you can practice the other ones first. 21, it's like 20 and 1 put together, but they do it faster. So it looks like this, 21. 22, it goes back to being the 2. But I guess because it's just easier to bounce instead of doing 22. And it might look like a 3, 22. 23, sometimes you'll see it like this. They do it fast, 23. 24. 25, they do this faster than 25. 25. 26. 27. 28. And 29. So if you could think, use an L for the 2s for 20s, except for 22, you might be all right. I don't know. Lots of people have problems with those 20s. I hope the explanations help a little bit better. And lots of people get confused with 3 and 6. Be careful with that. This is 3 and this is 6 because it goes up. 6, 7, 8, 9. Numbers like the 7 and 8 are really hard to read sometimes when you're first learning and you're watching someone. The 7 and the 8, because they're the 2 in the middle, they're kind of hard to figure out, was that a 7 or was that an 8? A lot of times deaf people will give you a hint, like if they're going to assign 78, they're going to come up for the 8. So you can see, well, that first number was smaller, so it must have been a 7. So that might help. Or 87, they come down for the 7. 87. So that can help you read it better. I am preparing a special game and activity for the kids to play. So I will drop my Google Drive link down below in the comments for you parents to be prepared to print those and get them ready for tomorrow's game. We're going to play some Battleship with each other, which should be fun. And so I will drop that link below, and then we'll learn some more signs tomorrow for the game. I'll also drop some hints on how to print them easier or whatever for you guys. Love you. Bye.